Good morning. Welcome again to Morning Devotions, and thank you again so much for our time today. I want to talk to you today about choirs. It amazes me how churches have removed choirs from the house of God completely. Just remove choirs. They want to have a rock band up there. They want to look like a secular concert with the lights and stuff. But I want you to notice what we find in the book of Nehemiah. And remember, Nehemiah is a type of the Holy Spirit. Nehemiah means comforter. Look at verse 40. The two choirs that gave thanks then took their places in the house of God, and so did I. The two choirs took their places. Choirs have a place in the house of God. Not rock groups, not solos, not Please Forgive Me. The modern Christian music is like white boy with guitar, where everybody just stands there and gets entertained. Choirs belong in the house of God. Now, I want to challenge you today. Please forgive me, but you need to walk up to your pastor and say, Pastor, we want a choir again. We want people to be involved singing in the choir. Choirs belong in the house of God.